Hello everyone, myself Nivedita Bose from Easy Electrical, your GS faculty for Rapid Revision series. Today is 11th of October 2021. We'll be starting our SSC JEE non-technical part. Today we will deal with the subject Economics and Indian Polity. Before that, I would like to give you a brief introduction about our paid course SSC JEE 2021, which includes concept-based question, technical and non-technical portion, plus practice problems and month-wise test. What we specialize in is that we will provide you with classroom recordings free for lifetime, which is otherwise chargeable in other institution. Now coming to the today's topic. The first question is, the parliament in India is composed of parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Option B, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and Vice President. Option C, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. Option D, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and Secretaries. Here you must know that Parliament has three parts, that is Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. So correct answer is option C. Now coming to the next question. Which of the following gave the idea of Constituent Assembly of India? Simon Commission, Rajaji Formula, Cabinet Mission Plan and Wavell Plan. Here the answer is Cabinet Mission Plan. In 1946, British Prime Minister Clements Attlee formulated a Cabinet Mission Plan to India. Now next question. India has borrowed the concept of fundamental rights from the Constitution of UK, USA, Russia and Ireland. Fundamental rights are borrowed from USA. Now coming to the next question. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with the rights to constitutional remedies? Option A, 19, Article 19. Option B, Article 41. Option C, Article 21. Option D, Article 32. You must pause the video and try yourself, then see the solution. Here the correct answer is Article 32. Now coming to the next question. Right to privacy is a fundamental right, is implied in right to freedom, right to life and personal liberty, right to equality and right against exploitation. It is a very confusion between option A and option B. Here the correct option is option B, and it is written in Article 21. Now coming to the next question. Who is the first law officer of Government of India? Option A, Chief Justice of India. Option B, Union Law Minister. Option C, Attorney General of India. Option D, Law Secretary. Here the correct option is option C. You must remember that Attorney General is the first law officer of Government of India and Advocate General হচ্ছে first law officer of any state. You must remember that. Coming to the next question. Money bill is introduced in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and none of these. Here the correct option is Lok Sabha. It is a very important question asked in SSC frequently. Now coming to the next question. Economic planning is in union list. You know that there is three types of list: union, state and concurrent. State list and concurrent list, and this is not specified yet. Here the correct option is concurrent list. Now coming to the next question. Who coined the term Hindu rate of growth for Indian economy? Option A, A.K. Sen. Option B, K.S. Parikh. Option C, Raj Krishna. Option D, Mantek Singh Ahluwalia. Here, it is the correct, Raj Krishna is the correct answer, that is option C. It refers to the low annual growth rate from 1950 to 1980s. Now coming to the today's last question, in which year was the 20-point program was announced by the very first time? 20-point program is a initiative of Planning Commission. The options are 1975, 2006, 1996 and 1982. Here the correct option is 1975. Actually, initially it is launched by the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Its basic objective to eradicate poverty and improve the quality of life of poor and underprivileged. Actually, the objective is to eradicate poverty. This is for today. Thank you for everyone for staying up to this point. If you have any doubts, call us, message us at 8335067725 or mail us at electricaleasy@gmail.com. Thank you.